Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Welcome back to another edition of Talk About Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係Lim Zap Siu Joseph Lin right here to teach you idioms today. 今天呢又要来教大家谚语好了。我自己本身非常喜欢学这种很有深度的东西。
这样听起来比较有学问。
All right, let's have Leo say a certain idiom in Hakka, and then we're gonna explain it.
今天教的这句哈，我先念给大家听哈。年邁注重田，
年邁注重田，
茫茫注重年，
茫茫哦，你茫茫哎哦，茫茫注重年，的确蛮深奥的，
不太好猜哈，对不对？
不好猜，
他
听到好像要摸什么东西，但不是。
对，它中文的意思就是宁迈祖宗田，莫忘祖宗言。
哦 ，OK， 就是宁愿把祖宗的田给卖掉了，
对，
但是呢，也千万不要忘记祖宗留下来的语言。
对，其实语言哈是标榜你的身份的一个象征。其实，在台湾这个地区嘛哈，就是客家人跟闽南人，甚至说外省人原住民，其实我们的区隔并不是很大的，
对，
我们的血缘都是很相近的。那最大的分别在哪里？就是语言。
So the Hakka people believe in the language, their own language, a lot more than where they came from. OK， 比这个从哪里来或者是住在什么地方还要来的重要，就是语言就对了。
对啊，像田地你卖掉可以再买嘛。
对。
但是语言忘记之后呢，你可能就找不回来了。
That's very true. Actually, this whole world is becoming a global village. We move from one place to another. So what's to say where we come from or what land we own defines who we are? But the language we speak, it actually represents who we really are. So that idiom literally means one can sell their ancestors' land, but one should never forget your own language that's passed down by your ancestors. Let's hear the detailed explanation in English right now.
Traditionally, Hakka people moved around a lot, and as such didn't develop a strong attachment to a specific area. The Hakka proverb, "You can sell your ancestors' land, but you should never forget your ancestors' words," is a reminder that the most important thing to preserve isn't property, but culture, especially words of wisdom from one's elders.
All right, why don't we repeat this line one more time, this idiom one more time?
好，年邁注重田，
年邁注重田，
茫茫注重年，
茫茫注重眼. So there you have it, another great idiom from the Hakka culture. That does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么大家？
俺是谁张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.